Welcome back, everybody. As I was doing my rundown, talking about some other stocks, I was, as always, I always go across the majors, and I hit upon silver, and I realized silver was selling off. And like silver, like oil, I was late to letting you guys know about the inverse of those trades, where you can short those particular stocks as they're going down. You can, do the short, and you can make some money on the way down, and then pivot to going long when they decide to turn around and head back up. Okay, so I missed that out for you guys, and so anyway, I'm going to point that out right now on silver, and I don't want to waste a lot of your time, so we got to go. All right, so first up is going to be, of course, what we're talking about, silver. And we got our silver futures, and the silver futures, okay, remember silver was selling off. We were putting in a nice big red bar down in here, and it looks like it's maybe finding some support in here at the 150 day. All right, got a nice hammer bar coming in, a nice tail behind it, and it's at a good support area at 150 day moving average. As you can see, we respected it back here, and got a little bit of a pop, and now we got this pullback. All right, we got the 20 coming underneath also to act as some support. So silver may be getting ready to come down in here and roll a little bit, and then start to head back up, which is what we like to see on silver. All right, but now if silver continues to sell off, you have ZSL. Okay, that's ZSL. That's Zulu Sierra Lima. Okay, ZSL. ProShares Trust Ultra Short Silver ETF. And this is how you short silver. So as silver's going down, you can buy this one and get paid on the way up. All right, and then when the silver turns around and starts to head back up, you can sell that and go back and buy one of these other silver stocks. You got AGQ, which is an ETF, silver ETF, bull. You got MAG, which is a Silver Corp, MAG Silver Corp, which is a company out of British Columbia. So I'm assuming they just, they're in the business of digging up gold, silver, lead, copper, stuff of that nature. All right, so they're a materials company. All right, and you got silver ETF, which is actually SIVR is I don't know how to pronounce the name of this company, but anyway, it's a company out of New York, and apparently I guess they do an ETF for silver shares. So anywho, but yeah, that's the gist of it. All right. So you got your long play on silver, and you got your short play on silver. And I just wanted to point that out, just like I was kind of late to pointing it out on our oil trade, where oil was selling off, and you could buy drip as oil sells off, and when oil turns around and starts to head back up, you can buy gush, and so now you're heading up in oil, and that way you can buy them at cheaper prices. So, but that's it for right now on the our silver trade. I think that we're not going to be doing too bad about that with the silver trade, but I just wanted to point that out. All right, so now you have a way to go long and short on silver. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and be careful out there. These markets are crazy.